So today we are making my husband's grandma's favorite salad. It's nice farm style. It's 1 can of rinsed green beans, 1 can of rinsed kidney beans. And then I'm gonna take some basil from my garden. I'm just gonna pull the little flowers off, pull some leaves off, throw in there. This is fresh picked this morning. Couple little baby leaves, those are great. It's my favorite herb to grow, is basil. Take some of these bigger leaves and kind of break them in half so they're more bite-sized. All right, so now we've got our basil and our beans in there. So now I'm gonna take my cucumber, freshly peeled, chop off the little end. I think we're gonna start with about half of it. Set the other half aside. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and slice it down the middle, like so, and flip him over. Let's do another middle slice. And then you've got kind of bite-sized chunks, and then you just kind of dice them up a little bit like that, throw them in there. This salad is super fresh, super tasty, just good and refreshing on a hot day. It's been about 100 degrees here lately, so it's all about the fresh garden vegetables and things. All right, so I did decide to go ahead with the rest of the cucumber and just make a bigger batch of the salad. Got that going in there. All right, now we're gonna take an heirloom tomato. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice it down the middle, like so. And I'm gonna take and core it out. And then I usually just pop my thumb in there and pull it. Same thing on the other side. All right. Now you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna slice like so, all the way through. Doesn't have to be exact. Then I'm gonna do them in half again. Maybe a little more just so that they're bite-sized. Again, doesn't have to be exact. All right, we're gonna put that half in there. Here's the other half of my tomato going in. All right, that's looking good. Let me get this out of here and then we'll make the sauce. All right, so now we're gonna make our dressing. So you just wanna take a little bit of pepper, just kind of pepper it to taste. I know, that looks about good. And you're gonna take a little salt. Then a little bit of lemon juice, probably about a tablespoon or so. I'm gonna do a little bit more for good measure. Okay, then you take your mayonnaise, do a little bit of mayo. And I prefer Best Foods. I don't know where you all are watching from. Best Foods or Hellmann's, they're the best. Tell me in the comments what your favorite type of mayonnaise is, or if you like to use Miracle Whip, which I don't judge. But here's Here's our salad. We're gonna just mix that up. The fresh scents from this, you guys. I smell that basil, cucumber, the tomato, just all those smells just kind of meld together. It smells amazing. Look at that, you guys. That just looks amazing. Let's get one more piece of little basil in that one. All right, look at that. Let's see how it tastes. Try and get a little piece of everything here. Perfect.